Can you start investing in the Pakistan stock market with just 1,000 rupees? Yes, you can. And today I'll show you exactly where to put that money. These are 5 high-potential Pakistani stocks for 2025 that could turn a small investment into serious returns. Stock pick number 1, Mizan Bank, MEBL, the leader in Islamic banking. Strong reputation, consistent profits, and rapid expansion. A safe long-term pick for beginners. Stock pick number 2, Systems Limited, SYS, the tech powerhouse of Pakistan. Growing exports, global clients, and riding the digital wave. A must-watch for future-focused investors. Stock pick number 3, Engro Corporation, Engro, a diversified giant in agriculture, energy, food, and chemicals. Strong balance sheet, regular dividends, great for building wealth. Stock pick number 4, Lucky Cement, LUCK. Not just cement, power, chemicals, and auto too. If Pakistan's economy grows, Lucky Cement benefits massively. Stock pick number 5, TRG Pakistan, TRG. More volatile but high upside potential. A tech-driven stock popular with risk-tolerant investors. Perfect for those looking for aggressive growth. Rubai, 1,000 is enough to begin, not to get rich overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Like, share, and subscribe for more real investing tips every single week. Your future wealth starts today.